Good afternoon, geometry gurus. Welcome to week 5 of distance learning. Couple things. There will not be a written assignment this week that you need to submit. There will be 3 IXL assignments that you will send when you're completed, and I'm going to average those grades and give you a grade on those. It's T.2, T.3, and T.4. It's all on surface area. So that's what I'll be grading this week as far as a numerical grade. Your completion grade is going to be the 3 Ed puzzle videos that I sent already. Those have some questions. I believe the sphere doesn't have any questions, but the other 2 do. And once you submit those and you've completed those, that will be your completion grade. I'm sure you have heard that there is not going to be any school the rest of the year. I'm so sad that I'm not going to get to see y'all before you go to high school. But I know you guys are going to do well, be well. Make sure if you have any questions that you let me know. And always, may the force be with you.